Hi, it's Snap here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're here with quite a few wolves and a bison skull, and oh my god, and we're gonna be hunting some elk. So we got some wolves here. We're gonna have to name those guys. And we got an elk herd that we're trying to hunt. And I can't figure out anything, and I hope I figured out the sound now. Otherwise, well, I'm disappointed in myself. But welcome back to people who have been here, who have seen my episodes before, and welcome to the people who haven't. I guess we're going on this elk calf, and I'm gonna just try to distract the mother if she's doing that. He's doing that. Mother, yeah, you go away. Where's the calf? Oh no, we lost the old calf now. Should be up here somewhere, looks like. That's a mule deer. Where's the elk? Where's the elk calf? We legit lost that elk calf. Looks like we might have lost that elk calf. How do you lose an elk calf? How do we lose an elk calf, everyone? 12, 10, whoa. Whoa, bud, what you at? 90, okay, you're pretty good. Test that one. Oh, okay, oh no, or die. Okay. So, don't do that in challenging, I guess. But today we're going to be doing all this, and we are going to try to kill an elk with 1210, because I had that really brings up our affinity, which is pretty low right now. This is actually ours. I can see it. Okay. Just bite it. Take off. Distract the mother. Distract the mother. Oh, we're attacking this one. Definitely attacking that one. Yes, and we caught it. Oh my god. Let's howl together. Oh, or not. Wow, that is a loud howl. But we're eating, and that'll bring up our affinity, and then we'll do some emotes. Ha! What you at? Yeah, you're at 100 now, so let's just do some of these. Do some friendly rolls. Ah, hello. Hello 1210. Yeah, this is good. Relaxed, somewhat submissive. How about a confident tail wag? Yeah. Whip that tail around. Oh. Wow, so, where are we? We're down Temple Rocks, okay. I might want to try curve up here, because I have mainly been sticking into this area. I'd rather curve up and try to look at the lost and the found. That looks interesting. And we're down here, Temple Rocks right now. Crooked Creek. We can push that way maybe to get, or to push up this way to get to the Crooked Creeks, and then jump over to Lost and Found. Might do that. Wait, so what direction would that be? Never, and a bit south, and a bit, never northeast. Yeah, up this way. Wow, so, that's interesting. Here's the elk herd again. Don't worry guys, we don't care about you right now. We want to go exploring while we still have the time and without pups. Oh, fun fact: the first time I ever played Wolf Quest, that was on easy mode. Only one pup survived out of 7. Yeah. I need help thinking of a territory. I was thinking maybe this area, but there seems to only be dens over there that we've found right now. So we might have to compromise, unless this is a den, because this looks very denish, or just and with human stuff. Miner's lantern. Does it light up? Please, please let it light up. Yes, 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 the greatest thing of all time. Yes, 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 and yes, and yes. We're just going to quickly, what is it? We're gonna quickly, you know, do Shift P, I, that random letter, and take a photo. Oh, I probably would end. That is such a pretty photo. Okay. We can sleep by the miner's lantern tonight, I think. And also, that's just in case the snowstorm is still too loud. And I would have sped up the other things before. Okay, so let's try to get over there tomorrow. And there's a snowstorm going off. We'll wake up and do some stuff with our trial mate. Hello? Body sniff? 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 Why can't I sniff your nose? There we go. I was too far away. Oh, that's too... It's not much stuff. How about... Ooh. Sounds strange. I think that's my 3. No, that's my... This. Yeah, look at us! Ah, 2 wolves. Okay, that's very cute. Let me just mark this. This is our second to last. What do we call this? Lantern. Oh, whoa. Lantern. Lantern mine? Yeah, we'll do that. So how far are we actually into that achievement? So we jump over to account, I think it is, yeah, and then achievements and Lost River. Oh, is it Explorer? Aha, yes, it is. Slow Creek, Lost River, Lost River, Lost River, aha. So 8 natural locations, so a bunch of waterfalls, all the Lost and then the Lost River human landmarks. Wow, we haven't actually seen any of these. Oh, and then something to do with Flopsy, it looks like, over there. Well, I'm doing pretty well. The Amethyst Mountain, actually. Oh, I'm actually doing Spike Elk Antler, the one I need. Mule Deer, Moose Skull. That I've done. That looks interesting. We'll definitely try to get all those. Wait, actually, that's what I was looking at. How many collectibles have we got? Oh my. There's a lot of collectibles. Whoa, some of the ones we've got aren't even collectibles, they're just there. Well, I thought that was cool. So you can't tell me otherwise. So we just eat south a little bit more. Wow, there's a lot of little rivers. Some of these look dried up. I wonder what happened. Oh, not south, north. What am I talking about? Oh, and we're glitching. Let's turn name tag back on. Not because I personally like them. Mr. Den sites, hopefully? No. That's weird. Ooh, more. This looks like it might have been a miner's town before. You know, whatever happened to this town happened. Yeah, there's mining supplies. Wow. There's a wagon? Is that got a den site? Oh my god. I'm just looking everywhere for a den site now. Okay, northeast. This way. Okay, we'll just get up here and we'll finish up. Wow, I see a waterfall coming out. Wonder what that is. Personally, I think it might be one of the landmarks. So this will be the Lost. Oh, that's so cool. I wonder if I'll be able to hear it. Because I've turned off ambient. I've not turned off, but like I've lowered down the volume of ambient sounds. So yeah, this looks like the waterfall. I think that's a good place to end today. Look at that. Look at that. How does it count that I've been here? Oh my god, we're doing a bit of glitching. Oh, whoa, there we go. Does this count as something? We've been here, Mr. Game. Whoa. Well, I don't know what that is, but we've been here. And does it snap out?